So there is a brand new free model for Qwen 3.5 that's actually optimized for Hermes AI agents, right? So if you're using Hermes as your main agent right now, there's actually a local model that's designed to be optimized for agentic workflows and specifically for Hermes agent, right? And you can see it right here. You can get it available on Hugging Face. I'll show you how to set it up in a second. And you can see that there's a bunch of different options right here. So you've got quantization with different sizes and different options depending on your setup and how powerful you want it to be. And basically, this uses Qwen 3.5 with a mixture of experts model to run a 35 billion parameter model with Qwen 3.5, specifically designed for Hermes, right? So what makes this different? Well, basically, unlike generic sort of reasoning distillation, this model was actually trained on Hermes AI agent workflows, right? So real conversations where, like, for example, it's been implementing terminal commands or performing file editing, etc. So if you want to use Hermes free forever, well, this is a really powerful way to do it, right? Because you've got an agent workflow and an agent model that's specifically designed for Hermes and running directly with Hermes, right? Now, if you want to set this up, the way that I would recommend you do it is, and this is the easiest way that I know, is you can get LM Studio and then you can use LM Studio to run Hermes local models, right? So you can see this is LM Studio and it's free to download. Once you've downloaded it for Mac, you can run loads of different local models, right? But one of the best ones that you can actually run is this one right here, right, for Hermes. So it's called Canis MOE, right? Hermes focused agentic model. So it's just designed and optimized for Hermes and using it for free with Hermes directly. So let's have a look at exactly how it works step by step. All right, so we've got LM Studio downloaded over here. And if we go to LM Studio on the left-hand side, we can actually search for models, right? So there's loads of different models you can actually run with Hermes locally, which is pretty cool. So you can search all these different models. But the one we want is this one, right? So it's the Camis MOE. So let's just type that in. We'll grab that. Then we'll go to LM Studio. We'll type that in. There we go. Boom shakalaka. We've got it, right? Hermes focused agentic model.